And look who it is. It's the mommy cat. Hey, mommy cat. What you doing, girl? Wanna eat? Oh, you wanna eat? Yes, you wanna eat. I know. Come on. Hold on, guys. Gotta feed her. Okay. Make it your baby. Mama? Yeah, that's the mama cat, guys. You know her. She looks hungry this morning. She won't even look at me. Anyway, guys, Catmandu. Let me go feed the other cats. Okay, here's my other cats. Chowing away. All new stray cats, Catmandu. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Helps the algorithm out. Let's go feed the other cats. There's a whole bunch more cats, guys. Look at all these cats here. They all come from the neighborhood. Alright, kitties. Come on, the cats. Come on, kitty. Wait. Get out all here. Alright, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go feed the other cats. There's usually about several cats here. I guess they're not right here right now. I'll probably stop for later this afternoon. Alright, let's go check out the other ones. Okay. This is my last run for now. I gotta get to work. Come on, you. Come on. Alright, let me get her. Hold on, guys. Yeah, you know, she's unsocial, so I gotta feed her separately. Anyway, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Catmandu, because, you know, sharing is caring, and we can do. Anyway, I gotta get to work. Just wanted to chime in with you guys this morning, show you my little guys. They're eating pretty good. They're happy. Hey guys, I will see you later on. Let's have a good day. And remember, there's Catmandu39 on TikTok.com. Catmandu39 on TikTok. And please subscribe there to help my